20 ways to make money without spending money. Welcome to Advise Yourself, where we help you save money, save time, and save health. Let us show you 20 referral schemes in the UK that can help you make money. Number 1. Octopus Energy. Octopus Energy will add a £50 credit into your energy account for every friend you invite to join them using your referral link. Plus, your friend will get a £50 credit in their account as well. Octopus Energy is often rated as the energy provider of the year, so please check them out and start making money. Number 2. Scottish Power. If you refer a friend to Scottish Power, you and your friend will get £60 each. All your friend will have to do is complete a dual fuel switch and remain a customer of Scottish Power for 90 days. Number 3. Vodafone. Vodafone is giving away £25 Amazon vouchers. This is another generous referral scheme, and both you and a friend get £25 worth of Amazon vouchers if they use your referral link when they join. This works for both broadband and pay monthly mobile. The vouchers will arrive once your friend has paid for 2 bills within 90 days. Number 4. BT. Looks like BT is in competition with Vodafone because BT is offering a £50 Amazon voucher to both you and your friend. If you're an existing BT customer, all you need to do is make a request for your own referral link and then share it with your friends. Once they join and have paid their first bill, you'll both receive a £50 Amazon voucher within 30 days. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Number 5. Virgin Media. If you refer a friend to one of Virgin Media's services like Broadband, TV, or mobile phone, you would get a £50 reward. And guess what? Your friend will earn a £50 bonus as well. Number 6. Sky TV. Sky TV is giving away a prepaid MasterCard loaded with £75 for you to spend when you refer a friend to any of their services. Once your friend is confirmed as a customer, you'll both receive a £75 prepaid MasterCard. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Number 7. EE. When you join EE as a customer, this gives you the opportunity to apply for a referral link that you can share with your friends and earn a £10 Amazon voucher. This only applies if you join the EE Flex plan. Number 8. giffgaff. giffgaff is one of the most competitive mobile phone providers. They would reward you with a £5 credit on your account if you refer your friends to the network. Number 9. 3 Mobile Network. 3 is another mobile phone provider with good deals. If you share your referral code from 3 with your friends, you and your friend would earn between £5 and £100 each. Number 10. Libara. Libara is giving you the opportunity to earn between £30 and £50 when you invite your friends to take out one of Libara's SIM-only plans. What's more, your invited friend will also get £30 off their first 3 months. Number 11. Nutmeg. Nutmeg offers you savings accounts ranging from ISAs, junior ISAs, pensions, and general investment accounts. If your friend joins and invests at least £500, you can earn between £50 and £100 in Amazon vouchers depending on their account's choice. So don't forget to try them out and make some money. Number 12. Fidelity. Fidelity is into stocks and shares and ISAs, and it comes highly recommended because it earns you a decent return. You can earn a £50 Amazon voucher if you invite your friends to open stocks, shares, or ISAs and invest up to £5,000 with Fidelity. Number 13. Revolut. Having a Revolut account is like having an online bank account. You can transfer money, receive money, get good rates for sending money abroad, buy stock and shares, and invest in cryptocurrencies. You can get a £50 reward if you invite your friends to join Revolut. Your friend would need to create an account, verify their identity, and complete 3 purchases of at least £5 each with their Revolut card. Number 14. Easy Money. Easy Money is an investment account that can pay you between 3% and 8% return on your investment. If you and a friend both invest at least £1,000 over the course of a year, you'll each receive a £50 bonus in your investment accounts. Number 15. Wise. Wise is an online banking platform that allows you to exchange money at a much better rate. If you're a customer, you can share your referral link with your friends. Once your friends have transferred up to £200, you'll earn a £100 bonus. Number 16. Monzo. Monzo is one of the largest digital banks in the market. Share your Monzo referral link with a friend, and if they join Monzo and make a card payment within 30 days, you'll both receive £5 each. Number 17. Curve. Curve is a handy account that allows you to combine all of your debit and credit cards into one place, controlled by a handy app. Curve will pay you £15 when you share your referral link with your friends and they open an account. If a friend joins Curve using your referral link, they'll earn £5 if they use their card at least 5 times in 10 days. The minimum amount they would have to make per transaction is £5. Number 18. Mones. This is another digital bank that has the advantage of opening a Euro bank account. It also comes with one of the most generous banking referral schemes. If a friend joins using your link and makes a purchase with your card, you'll receive £30. And once they have spent £500 with their Mones card or sent that much internationally, you'll receive another £40. Number 19. Suits Me. Suits Me is a digital bank account that helps people struggling with their credit rating to open an account. Most people will find it easy to open an account with Suits Me as there are no credit checks. Suits Me will pay you £50 in cash if you refer your friends to join them. Number 20. PayPal. PayPal is great for sending and receiving money from friends and family. And if you know a friend that doesn't have a PayPal account, send them an invite using your referral link. And if they open and verify their accounts, you'll both earn £10. You can invite a maximum of 5 people. So these are the 20 refer and earn opportunities that can help you make money without spending money. Thank you for watching Advise Yourself, where we help you save money, save time, and save health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Have a great day.